Land Cruiser 2009. Upgrade 2024. Model entire kit available handshake. Welcome to order. As you can see, speedometer, steering wheel DVD, gear console, door decoration, push start. The kit exterior kit. Hood fan door headlight backlight same like original side. Step door molding window molding roof. Rack rear roof spoiler rim size 22 same. Like original includes all the necessary parts. Computers, wiring, and it's all plug and play. We also offer a wide selection of colors and designs. And you can also order designs from famous brands. Feel free to contact us. We always have highest quality parts, largest assortment of stock, unique assortment products, professional consultation, highest service, fastest delivery, worldwide shipping, and of course for all of this little bit high prices worldwide shipping. For details, price and orders, feel free to contact us inbox. #LC300 #LX600 #Nismo #RX350.